therapy. I had a full knee replacement on March the 27th, which is just 4 weeks ago today, actually. Prior to my surgery, I had 10 treatments to help reduce inflammation and give me more mobility and flexibility. I went home the same day as I had the surgery, and I started my physio 1 week later, and they put me in a 2-week advanced class because they said I was ahead of other patients in that time. And honestly, it has helped my flexibility in my leg. I can lift it right up. I can bend it. They are so shocked in my physio how well I'm doing with it. And this is 4 weeks after full knee replacement surgery. So I've had great luck with it. What I think it's done is reduced inflammation, improved flexibility. And another key is I sleep so much better at night. So I'm a believer.